Hello, I am here to tell you that your business bank account, your business and your business bank account deserve freedom. Literally, your business and your business bank account both deserve a immense, abundant, heartfelt, gut, soul feeding freedom. Literally. That's exactly what your business needs. But there's one way that your business can actually do that. So how? How in the world can your business get free? Actually have freedom? Well, I created something that allows that. What is it called? It is the one thing that actually allows this to happen. It is called the Entrepreneur Playbook. All right. Why don't people utilize the Entrepreneur Playbook? Well, one reason, they think it's totally beyond their sphere of understanding as far as the complexities to get in. It's not complex. It's not complex at all. Another reason why people don't get into it, they feel as though it's going to cost a lot of money. And I mean, like you are at the gas pump and you're making a life decision between the Entrepreneur Playbook and gas. Or, you got concert tickets because so-and-so's in town. Or you just really want to get a bottle because your week was a week that needs to go away. And you like, all right, do I enroll into this thing that would really help my business? Or do I get this bottle? And I'm really going to need this bottle because Family Guy is on or Bob's Burgers. And I need to chill out, okay? So that's one reason why people just have no idea how they can use it. Because they feel like it's too cumbersome, possible, or they're just going to cost way too much money. Now, here's why people should use it. Here's why people really, really, really should use the Entrepreneur Playbook. Number one, it's not expensive, at all. So right now, the Entrepreneur, matter of fact, I'll tell you about that in a second. I'll tell you how much it is. You're not probably going to believe me. You're not going to believe me. But why should they use it? Another reason why they should use it, because number one, it has a lot of courses. Okay, so everything that you may have wanted for yourself, it's in it. All right. So entrepreneurs sometimes need a system. Not sometimes, oftentimes, if you want to scale your business. That is going to look like having something called the Genius Prescription System. It teaches you how to create a system for your business. Regardless of if you're a makeup artist, a speaker, an author, a coach, a mechanic, a plumber, it actually teaches you how to do that for yourself, right? Then you have Operate Like a Genius. It tells you how to operate your business. Then you have Finance Like a Genius. It actually talks about how to finance the business. Then you have Speak Like a Genius. So a lot of times you are the spokesperson of your particular brand. So it allows you to learn how to speak better and get paid for it. All right, so after that, you have Publish Like a Genius. Why is that important? Because as an entrepreneur, sometimes the best way to get in front of people is through a book. And a book allows so much leverage when it comes time to do credibility. So when I've been in Huffington Post and Psychology Today and Black Enterprise and I think I said Huffington Post, but it was twice. I was in that. They like to say that they are talking to a published author. It just helps, okay? So you got Speak Like a Genius, you got Publish Like a Genius, you have how to sell your book on Amazon, because sometimes people just want to get their book done only because they desire to have a best-selling book on Amazon because they like that particular title. That's it. And if that's you, this is in it. There's also a Author 101 boot camp. There's also Market Like a Genius. So how do you do marketing quicker, sooner, better, faster? There's a Speaker 101 boot camp. This will really help you get speaking engagements ASAP. And also how to build your live event. As someone who's done live events, I've brought producers from Shark Tank to Oklahoma. Yes, Oklahoma. So I know what it takes to throw an event or put together an event that has your name on it, that you're not embarrassed about either. And this also entails sponsorships. How in the world do you get sponsorships, right? All right. So why does it work? Well, it works because you don't have to have somebody that you're always on call with. That's why it works. And so it's a portal. You actually log in, password, you have a password, you can get to it anytime you want. I say again, you can get into it anytime you want. Why else does it work? Because there's an inherent accountability platform to it. So once a week, you get on a community call, and guess what? Any problems that you're having that week, you get to bring it up and express that to the community and get feedback and solutions, not just, oh, that's so sucky for you. Next. No, like actual solutions to your problem. Now, what's the biggest benefit? The absolute biggest benefit is the coaching on demand solution. What in the whole world is a coaching on demand solution? A coaching on demand solution is this. Let's say you get inside the portal, right? You're in the entrepreneur playbook and you're looking around and you're like, you know what? Today is all about sales. I need to sell something today. Like I need to sell something today. All right. So you're in there, you're looking, and you're like, whoa, wait a minute. Yo, Asa, you said this is sell like a genius. And the part that I'm missing is not here. Like it's not here. What happens? Coaching on demand literally means in the discussion board, you state, I desire this additional training for this topic. And we, Genius Academy, we have 10 business days. If the once a week call is before this, by all means, bring it up in that moment. But we have 10 business days to create a training for that topic to serve you. And now it gets to benefit everybody else that is now a part of the entrepreneur playbook. That is the biggest benefit, is the coaching on demand. You get to demand what you desire and still not have to schedule anything, still don't have to pay any more money. It's already there. Now, I told you before that I was going to tell you exactly what is this? Like, what exactly is it? So how much does it cost to enroll? Like, can you get this? And yes, you can get this. Where do you go to get this? You go to freedom.geniusacademy.co. That's freedom.geniusacademy.co. That's freedom.geniusacademy.co. That's freedom.geniusacademy.co. That's freedom.geniusacademy.co. That's freedom.geniusacademy.co. Okay? freedom.geniusacademy.co. You're going to go in the first enroll button that you see, click on the enroll button. Now, it's going to have one fee. If you are watching this, if you are under the sound of my voice, what's going to happen is you get to put a coupon code. Now, I've been talking about freedom this whole time, right? The coupon code that you would put in is freedom. What does that mean? That means as a result of you watching this, and as a result of you typing in that coupon code of freedom, you get everything that I said every single month for $10 a month. $10 a month. I say again, $10 a month. What is my personal coaching fee in this time, in this right now moment? I am $1,500 a month. Yeah, I am. I'm $1,500 a month. And so therefore, my capacity to serve more people individually is not as large as I would like it. But I know that I have the capacity and the team has the capacity to serve you in this way. So $10 every month. You go to freedom.geniusacademy.co, type in the coupon code FREEDOM, and you get access to all of this for $10 a month. Now, my desire is that in the next 100 days, I'm able to do this to make a difference in the banking accounts and the intellectual property of entrepreneurs. I want to do that for 1,000 entrepreneurs. That's my intent. Yes, I'm going to go hard. So until I get that, that coupon code is up. Freedom. That's the coupon code that you use when you go to freedom.geniusacademy.co. Please do. I'm asking you to share this with only one entrepreneur that you feel this could help. That's all I'm asking. Just one. Somebody that is working on things, somebody that needs some assistance, somebody that just doesn't know what they don't know, and they're Googling, and then they Google what they Googled, and it just feels like a perpetual rat race of information. They don't know what to do next. They have no idea how to integrate different things. So I'm asking you, one person, one entrepreneur that you know that you could definitely make a difference for at $10 a month that has all of those trainings. So I'll say all the trainings again. I'm going to read them off. So the training of Genius, the Genius prescription system, operate like a genius, finance like a genius, speak like a genius, publish like a genius, how to sell your book on Amazon, market like a genius, author 101 bootcamp, the entrepreneur publicity training, speaker 101 bootcamp, and how to build your live event. All of those trainings and any additional training that may come, as well as the coaching on demand feature for these trainings, all for $10 a month. That's all I have for you. I want you to immensely enjoy your day, and I am here to support you on your journey to freedom. As always, I am Asa Leveaux. Dreams and blessings.